I'm back. Here's my dog. That's Mickey. Here's my sister. That's Abby. And today we are doing something completely original. Totally never been done before.
Nope.
Never even thought of the 10-minute makeup challenge. We were going to do the 5-minute makeup challenge, but there's no way that's possible, so we made it 10 minutes. So yeah, let's get started. We have all of our stuff laid out in front of us, and I'm going to take my lids off of everything. I'm going to try to do everything, but not like full out.
Yeah, no, I just want it to look like I have on makeup, and not, I don't, at the end of it, I don't want it to look bad, you know?
Yeah, like we could go somewhere.
Look at how cute he is!
Okay, 10 minutes on the clock.
Ready?
Wait,
Set.
where's my beauty blender? My beauty blender.
I handed it to you. Ready?
Set,
Go.
go. I am using the Maybelline 24-hour whatever. I did a video on it. Just check it out.
I'm starting with my eyebrows because I'm not a heathen, and I'm using this Profusion palette. It looks like really gross because it's from the dollar store, and I'm just gonna put powder in my eyebrows because I did not have time to put on pomade.
I have that palette too. Wait, no, I don't. You have a better one. No, I have that one. I have that palette too. Yours just looks more jank than mine. It actually works really good.
Yeah, it does, but it like falls apart. They sell this at Target too. Low-key, I think they sell better stuff at Target.
I'm using a Profusion palette today too.
Yeah, I was just about to say something about that.
Profusion.
Like this one, you can tell like this one's a lot nicer than this one. I don't have time for this, but yeah, it's just because this one's from Dollar General.
But it works good. I use it.
Oh yeah, I use it all the time for school, like when I want to do my makeup in 10 minutes.
Okay, I'm moving on to concealer.
Oh, I put concealer on my eyeballs. I forgot to say that.
I'm using
to prime them.
Tarte Shape Tape.
I forgot to grab an eyeshadow palette, so guess I'm not doing that.
That's cheating.
Okay, fine. I'll put like some contour powder in my eyeballs. Wait, can I use this?
That's what I'm doing next, I think.
Ooh, this comes with a really nice brush on the inside. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna put some of this pink on. Oh.
Conceal the bags. Conceal, don't feel.
Don't let it show. I'm still covering my face.
This is really bad blending, but oh well.
It takes me forever to blend out this Maybelline foundation, so I'm kind of scared to see how that goes.
Really?
Yeah, it takes forever. We have 7 minutes.
Not me. It doesn't take me forever.
I struggle with it. It doesn't blend on my nose well either, but for $11 and its coverage, I don't care.
Yeah. You must have watched my video.
No, I bought this when I was with you, but I did watch your video.
Mickey, can you behave? We're on camera. Seriously. Freak. I'm not even using a mirror. I'm using the freaking thing.
I don't think I can do that because I'll be too scared that I mess up.
Okay.
Get foundation on my eyebrows.
I think my focus is going to be making sure my face is done. So I'm going to go ahead and do freaking bronzer and highlight and blush before I do eyebrows. That's probably stupid, but
You have a full face but no eyebrows? That's my biggest pet peeve.
From far away, it looks good. Close up. I'm going to go ahead and contour my nose with this eyeshadow brush because I forgot to bring my nose contour brush in here.
You have a nose contour brush?
Yeah.
I used to use this brush from my Gilded set, but I started using an eyeshadow brush because I wanted it to be like more snatched and like small.
Yeah. We're filming in my sister's room today.
We did the floors in here ourselves. They're
We
marble.
did. We redid this whole floor, this whole room ourselves. Just her and I. Well, our mom helped too, but
She helped paint, but
you're lucky I was home on break.
Yeah, because then I would have had to do it by myself.
Yeah.
Okay, that's probably enough. I'm not gonna put on concealer. Oh wait, no, I'll try this palette.
Oh, I forgot to tell you what I was using. For settings powder, I used Coty Airspun, obviously. Bronzer, Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. Blush, Tarte, Amazonian Clay, and Parte. And then highlight is going to be Becca Champagne Pop. Shout out to Jaclyn Hill.
I used the same foundation she did, and right now I don't have concealer that's lighter than this foundation, and I'm not going to buy any anytime soon because I'm only 16 and I don't make a lot of money. So I'm using a highlight shade from this cream contour kit from Anastasia that my sister got me for Christmas.
That's me. I think on top of that Becca highlighter, I'm going to go ahead and do the wet set, just like to give it an extra punch.
Yeah, this will work for the next 2 months.
Really?
Yeah.
Good. Because I'm doing this because I have so much time, obviously.
Oh yeah, do you want to know how much time we have left?
Yeah.
4 minutes.
Oh, I haven't even done eyebrows yet.
I'm going to set my face with the Coty Airspun. I have my own. We use a lot of the same products because we're the same person.
Pretty much.
Except she has nicer concealer than me because she has money. Because she's a big girl.
I don't know about this eyebrow situation. From back there, they can't even tell.
Are you putting on a pencil?
Yeah.
I went for powder just because I could throw it on.
For eyebrows, I'm using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in number like 4 or something.
I'm bronzing with the butter bronzer from Physicians Formula.
Mine?
No,
Oh.
mine. We had the same of that too. I think we're gonna use the same blush too.
Are you using Party?
Yeah.
Yep. We're using the same of everything. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I can't. This eyebrow, it's not gonna look the same.
Great thing about bronzing is that it's not that hard to mess up. Now I'm gonna blush. I grabbed the wrong blush brush, which is just great. And I'm using Tarte Party. It was a birthday gift. I've hit pan, and it makes me really sad because the full size is $30.
You hit pan already?
Yeah, I love this.
Poor girl. What's next? Eyeshadow. Duh. Okay, so I'm using the Profusion Natural Palette. I got this for Christmas. I don't know. It's probably gonna be okay. I've used it once or twice before. Actually, Profusion's makeup isn't like that bad.
I kind of like it. It's really cheap too. This brow palette that I got was like $5. I put a lot of blush on the end of my nose because I like that.
Let me see.
I do it every day.
Really?
Yeah. I just got an email because I'm so professional. Should I highlight now or put on contour? Do I have time for contour? We still have 2 minutes. I'm gonna highlight. I'm using the Jeffree Star highlight in Ice Cold.
We have 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I'm hearing noises upstairs and nobody's home, so I'm scared.
Oh, I think it's Bella.
Oh,
She probably got in the trash.
great.
Bella's a dog.
No, Bella's bad and should not be left unattended up there, but we're busy.
Yeah, we don't have time to watch her. Okay, 1:40 on the clock.
I don't know, I really hope that's Bella and not a stranger because... Okay, we don't have enough time for any more eyeshadow. That's it, that's all you get.
I'm gonna try and contour just a little bit.
Oh my god, I freaked up this thing. I'm an idiot. I don't have time for that either.
Okay. Blend a little.
Right now I'm doing eyeliner. You can't see that.
Should I do eyeliner? I don't normally do eyeliner. I'm gonna go straight into mascara and then I'll be done.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I forked up this liner. I forked it right up. How many minutes?
Probably 1.
We have, oh my gosh, 1 minute, 6 seconds.
I'm really covering up my face right now, but I'm not that sorry about it because this is hard.
For eyeliner, I used the Stila All Day Liquid. Stay All Day Liquid. And it's that felt tip one. And then for mascara, I am sloppily putting on the...
I'm done.
Already?
Mm-hmm. Should I have put on
Lipstick,
lipstick? I
yeah.
didn't grab any. Oops.
Go get some. For mascara, I'm doing Benefit Rollout. Like, really badly.
I forgot where I kept my lipstick for a second. This is the Anastasia lipstick. It's a cream and it's in the color Dead Roses.
I'm using Wet n Wild's Liquid Catsuit in Rebel Rose. Why are we very similar?
I don't know.
Because I think our lipstick is like super similar. Oh well.
What color eyeshadow did you do?
Pink.
Me too. Oh, the timer's done. Drop it.
No.
Drop
it. Okay. This is what I got done.
I forgot to mention
Let
that
me just
my
scoot
mascara.
closer so you can see.
My mascara, I used the Soap and Glory Thick
This
and
looks
Fast.
so bad. Let me see. That's bad.
This lighting, hold on. My lipstick is pretty bad. Hold on, wait. Yeah, that's bad. No.
Well, that was fun. We got some crappy makeup to wear for the rest of the day.
Yeah, I'm gonna go take it off.
Me too. But we did it. We got brows, face, blush, bronzer, highlight,
I contoured.
lipstick. I did eyeliner.
I didn't do eyeliner, but I contoured and you didn't.
Yeah. So we got a pretty good face and makeup going.
I wouldn't say it's good.
No, it's bad,
It's
but we
pretty bad.
put makeup on. Like, if
Yeah.
someone said go out in public right now, I would say okay.
Yeah, like I look better than I did 10 minutes ago.
But moral of the story is the 2 hours that it takes us to do our makeup.
We both just burped.
Anyway, moral of the story is the 2 hours that it takes us to do our makeup is actually what we need. We need all 2 hours.
Yeah,
So.
because otherwise it looks like this.
Okay, thanks guys for watching. Come see my next video. I don't know when it's gonna be. You don't know when it's gonna be. So subscribe and hit the bell icon and turn on notifications, and then we'll all know when my next video is. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.